So if you're looking for a home underneath $1 million in one of New Smyrna Beach's most exclusive, desirable neighborhoods, then this video is for you. Why do they want to live in Florida today?
There's plenty of reasons. Well, this is a Hickson-built community, so everyone knows Hickson builders. They do a fantastic job with their properties that they build. This community is very quiet and quaint. However, it's only 7 minutes from downtown and about 12 to 15 minutes from the beach at the most. There's multiple parks throughout the community, walking trails. You're just down the road from Dora Sleeper Park, and it really is just a nice, well-maintained community to live in.
Yeah, so if you're looking for a community that has that very neighborhood vibe and Southern charm feel to it, this is a home tour that you're not going to want to miss out on. Before we get to it, my name's Chris. This is my business partner, Tim. We've known each other forever. We've been doing real estate for almost as long as well. We help people all the time, whether they're moving across town or looking to move in town from Orlando or some other part of Florida or out of state, wherever. We have the country, whatever. We're here to help you out.
Yeah, this paradise, let us know.
Yeah, so reach out to us in the description below. Let's get to the home tour, but before we do, we want to show you what your view from the front porch is going to look like. So the Florida Days neighborhood is it's a quiet neighborhood. It's beautifully kept. It's got mature trees, sidewalks, and a real strong sense of community here. It just kind of hits you in the feels there of the nostalgic old town kind of charm with the way everybody is super neighborly here. Everybody's always waving at you coming or going. So if that's kind of what you're looking for in an area that's a gated community and feels safe with a low HOA, this is definitely something to consider for sure. Another one of the unique features I'd like to point out, as you can see behind me and in some of the other additional footage, is that there are no front driveways in this community. The community's been designed in such a way that the owners have vehicle access around the homes, and this is where you will park and you'll have access to your driveway and garage as well. I do think it's a pretty unique feature. You don't see this in too many communities, and I think it really helps keep the charm of the community up, not having the clutter of all the driveway cars and everything else. And it just helps kind of keep things looking a little bit more neat and tidy. Another big selling factor why people really love this area is because of the access, the walkability that you have to other parks and trails. You're right around the corner from one of the golf courses that New Smyrna Beach has, the Turnbull Bay Preserve, and you have access to the different waterway outlets. So you'll have the Intercoastal Waterway in Turnbull Bay as well, and you can launch your boats, kayaks, paddle boards, whatever it is, all within just minutes from being home as well. So different things to be on the lookout for if you are looking for more of that outdoor active lifestyle. And if you're just looking for a great investment, New Smyrna Beach is continuing to grow in popularity year after year. The secret is out. So whether you're looking to make this a permanent residency for yourself or just a vacation home, this is going to be a pretty safe bet for you with the overall growth and demand of New Smyrna Beach right now. And a quick 5-minute drive is going to land you at the Turnbull Bay Golf Preserve. Out right here behind us is going to be the outdoor driving range. This is a full course as well, but the driving range is pretty cool. It is similar to Top Golf, not quite Top Golf, but close enough, especially being so close to home, for you to just come out and hit a few balls on the weekend afternoon, weekday afternoon, whatever it is. Slide over to the snack bar, get yourself a couple beers and a snack, and call it a day. So again, convenience, easy location, everything that you need close by to 1822 Cattail.
Okay, let's go inside, but before we do, no home is complete without a beautiful front porch and a front porch swing. A house swing. It's like a house fly, but a house swing, whatever you want to call it. Come on in. So when you first come in here to the right-hand side of the house, you're gonna have your office. We could have called this a 4th bedroom. I mean, there is a closet in the window, but really it's just best suited to be an office in this house. Really nice. If you notice, there's luxury vinyl throughout the entire house. These nice double doors leading into it. And then this home is just under 2,200 square feet. So really one of the things that I love about this house and that Chris loves is the fact that it's so wide open. I mean, the attention to detail is immaculate. You've got built-in display areas here. I mean, just the detail, the ceiling details, the coffered ceilings in the living room, and really it just gives a great feel. One of the other many great things in this house is the kitchen. So there's just storage for days in here. You have Cambria quartz countertops. I think there's still even a warranty on these countertops. That's how new this house is. You've got features like a double oven, which is great for all the chefs in the family, making your Thanksgiving dinners and whatever family get-togethers, you have all that. One of the features I really like is that there's not only one main sink, but there's also a smaller sink, which is perfect for chopping vegetables. There's a disposal in here as well. You've also got a nice hidden microwave. So everybody hates when your appliances take up all the space on the countertop, so it's nice to have that feature tucked away. Another thing that's really cool is that there's a 5-burner gas stovetop here, so really convenient. The home is on natural gas. Again, just storage for days. So, and on top of that, you've got a butler's pantry. So if you come into here, you've got plenty of storage for your pots and pans. This works great for a coffee machine or an espresso, whatever your taste in coffee may be. And again, just another great space for storage. One thing that's unique about this home that I've only seen it in a handful of homes, is that they have a pull out here for the mixer. So that just locks in like that. And then whenever you're done, you just pull this out and it's a soft close. So if you're tired of lugging your mixture around, this is definitely the cabinet for you. And then going back through here, we've already mentioned a couple things here in the kitchen. Really nice appliances here. The Samsung, it's got some cool features. You know, you've got your water filler in here that's automatic, which is really nice and convenient. Got to stay hydrated, especially in this Florida sun. A couple things about this house that are a little bit better and improved than what the model is we have a bar over here to the side. Where I was just standing with the refrigerator would typically be where that bar is at, but the owners made some minor adjustments because they felt like this was just really a better place to put it. Again, this whole living area is wide open. The house is split up though. So you have your primary bedroom, which is going to be on this side. And then you have your 2 other bedrooms and full bath, which is going to be to your left here. So let's go down that wing of the house first. This is a custom made door by the owner. You got to have your barn door in a house, but I know they put a lot of work into this and it turned out really nice. So if you follow me, in this wing of the house, you've got your guest bath. So again, really just attention to detail in here. Really nice job. It's perfect and you still have plenty of storage. If you go into this bedroom here, this is what's being used as a second office right now, but you've got plenty of space. I mean, this would be good for grandkids to come visit, or if you have kids, or if you just need that extra office space, you can use it what they're using it for as well. Now on to bedroom number 2. So if you come in here and follow me, you got space for days, right? So again, really nice size guest bedrooms. Again, vinyl plank flooring throughout, nice closet space in here. And then one thing to notice is look how high these ceilings are. So I'm just about 6 foot. I probably should have measured this before doing this video, but they're really tall. It makes it feel like there's a lot more space in here, which is great. And then to the laundry room. So when you come in here, again, no laundry room's complete without a full-size sink. So it's really convenient to have nice size appliances. You've got storage. This just stores your HVAC. You've got a nice shoe closet in here that they use. And then coming outside. So one of my favorite parts of the house is obviously the outdoor area. So you've got a saltwater heated pool, which is great. It's all controlled by an app, which is nice. So you're able to heat the pool, you can heat the sauna, the spa, you can turn on the lights, the fountains, the water features. And then as you come over here, you've got an outdoor kitchen. So this is not one of the grills where you have to worry about having running out of propane when your family comes over. Oh shoot, run to the store because our steaks are getting cold and it didn't get cooked. So it's actually plumbed with natural gas, so you never have to worry about running out. You've got a nice outside sink here. You can use it for dishes, or it's currently being used to pot some plants. Follow me out here. So one thing I like is that when you come to the backyard, you've got a nice alleyway. So you can park in front of the house, but you also have all this space back here. As you can see, we got a vehicle parked there. And it really just gives a nice feel to the home. One feature that's fantastic, not that you have many power outages or anything, but you do have a whole house generator. So this is really a lifesaver when it comes to your power going out. You don't have to worry about sweating because your AC is not kicking on or any of that. And then one feature I really like that I want to point out is that it's a true 2-car garage. So I believe the measurements distance-wise were 22 or 23 feet long. So you can fit a really nice size vehicle in both of these garages. Come back with me inside. So you've got in the backyard, it's nice. It's just big enough to where it's fully fenced. You can have your animals come back here and play, but you're not going to feel like you're a slave to the backyard where you have to, oh man, every week I got to go out and do yard work. It's really easy to maintain. The current owners have a great landscaper that I'm happy to give you the information for if you decide to buy the house. But again, nice little paver area to sit, and then that just leads back out to the front side of the property. So let's go back to my to one of my favorite spots, which is by the pool. So really, obviously you see there's pavers all throughout here. It's a really nice feature. That little landing is nice too. You can get some sun and also stay somewhat cool because you get a little bit of water. The covered lanai is awesome. So this is really just a great place for entertaining. You see that there's accordion doors on both sides. So when you have your family and friends over, just the flow of this house is fantastic. The accordion doors were a nice touch. And then just like I mentioned earlier about the bar being moved, the owners also made an adjustment to the primary suite where typically you'd have windows here. They went ahead and they did another set of accordion doors, which you'll see in a second. But this is also very nice for our cool days or when it's just a little chilly outside. Flip of a switch and you've got fire, natural gas. Really just nice to have. Creates a good ambience. So we're going to come into the primary. So here again, coffered ceilings, great size room. This is a king size bed, and you see we've still got plenty of space in here. So into the primary bath. Really nice. Tons of storage for all the ladies. You got a pull out little makeup stand here, which is nice. Tons of storage in this bathroom, tons of storage. And then you have a great walk-in closet. So when you come in here, and this is something you don't see. I mean, I've been in a lot of walk-in closets, but not all of them have a nice little fan. So when you're getting ready or you're just out of the shower, that's just something, it's a nice feature to have. I'm actually kind of warm right now because it's hot out, but this feels fantastic right now. So coming back out to the nice double shower heads in the shower. If it gets really steamy in here, or even if I guess you run out of towels, you turn these on and it's like you stand and before you know it, you're dry. So, or if you want a suntan, one of the two. Again, just the amount of detail that the owners put in this house just really just leaps and bounds of what they've done here. And then circling back, we're gonna go back out to our living area. We have a stop at a half bathroom here. And then again, another feature that was not included in the model was they didn't have any sort of fireplace here. They felt like it was really just a nice touch to put that there. Just creates a good ambience to have that. And just an overall great home. One thing, I mean, you also have all this storage. Like look at, they have glass storage in here. You've got all the space that you need in this home. So again, 1822 Cattail Drive in New Smyrna Beach. You're just 7 minutes from town at this property. So it's so super convenient and close to town. You've got a saltwater heated pool. It's just under 2,200 square feet, built within the last 2 years. The attention to detail is immaculate. And if you're looking for a home in New Smyrna, you have to check this one out. So call us so we can give you a tour.